Hey everyone, it's been a very long day. George and I are getting ready to move back to Los Angeles, but that's totally okay because this week we have an amazing fall recipe that I really hope you enjoy. It's my version of the pumpkin spice muffin. It's decadent, it's delicious, it's high in protein, and it comes together pretty quickly in like 30-45 minutes, excluding baking time. So I really hope you enjoy this one, part 3 of the pumpkin spice series. Let's get right into it. In a blender, we're going to add most of our ingredients. So make sure it's nice and high speed. We're going to add 1 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, flax eggs, maple syrup, almond butter, olive oil, a little bit of vanilla extract, in addition to plant milk, and combine until homogeneous. Add 14 medjool dates and blend once again until everything is really nice and pureed. You want the dates to be very small. Add 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder and a 1/4 cup of almond cow pulp. Completely optional, you don't need it. We're going to sift flours, baking powder, and baking soda until really nice and put together. This just makes baking so much easier. And add 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. Add all of your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and combine with a spatula until homogeneous. If you're feeling very lazy, you can also do this in a food processor. In a greased muffin tin, you can use whichever size you want. I used 6 large and 6 small. Add the mix until 3/4 of the way full. You want them to be nicely greased so they pop out really beautifully once baked. I like to gently smooth them down because the dough is a little dense, and this just helps with the structure of the muffin. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit 180 C, 22 minutes for the small muffins and 35 minutes for the large. Halfway through the bake time, yes, for the small ones too and the big ones, we're going to turn them halfway and also move the trays from top to bottom to ensure even baking. Pop them out of the tin nice and easy after about 5 to 10 minutes after you've taken them out of the oven. Let them cool completely and enjoy. They have a beautiful pumpkin flavor, and I know you're going to love it. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for full recipe videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.